Hello guys, welcome to Computer Theory channel. In this video, we're going to solve the third question from Sipser textbook about computation theory. And that's it. Let's solve this question. Okay, as you can see here, the third question is that the formal description of a DFAM is something like this, where our transition function is given by the following table. Give the state diagram of this machine. Okay. As you know, we define the DFAs like this: Q and sigma transition function, Q0 and F that. Q, as you can see in this picture, is finite set of states that is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and Q5. And sigma is finite set of alphabets that here we have U and D, and our transition function is something like this. And our start state actually is Q3 here. And you have to notice to this part, and our accept state is Q3, and that's it. Let's draw the diagram. So as you can see, our start state is Q3, so we have an arrow like this, Q3, and also our accepted state is Q3, so we have to draw this like this. Okay, and after that, if we see U, we will go to Q2. Okay, U, and we will go to Q2 like this. And if we see D, we will go to Q4 like this. D and Q4. And let's continue with Q2. In Q2, if we see U, we will go to Q1 actually, like this. U, Q1. And if we see D, actually we will back to Q3 like this. Okay, and for Q4, if we see U, we will go to Q3, or better I say, we will back to Q3 like this. And in Q4, if we see D, we will go to Q5 like this. Okay, and let's continue with Q5. In Q5, if we see U, we will back to Q4 like this. And if we see D, we will stay in Q5 actually, like this. And let's continue with Q1 actually. If we see U, we will stay in Q1 like this, U. And if we see D, we will back to Q2 like this. And I think that's it. That's the answer of this question. Yes, it is. So all things you have to notice here is our state, that is Q. We have 5 states, and our alphabet is U and D. And in transition function, as you can see here, it's a normal thing. And just notice that here our start state is Q3. You know, don't think that always the start state must be Q1. It can be other things like Q2, Q3, Q4, you know. And our accept state is Q3, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for me. I will read them, and that's it. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.